Hey biscuits, I thought I would bring you along on a little robe try on. I love robes. I think that they're one of those just like really easy things to plop on in the morning and get ready, make breakfast, and then in the evening I think it's nice to have something elegant and cozy and soft. And I've really gotten into them during my whole Patreon burlesque style, right? Because I think it's so much fun to style robes on Patreon. I don't know why I get into that. I just really do. I really love the texture and the play, and I do so many skincare tips and, you know, bath time routines and things that it's really nice to have a little something that's just easy to toss on, but that's beautiful and that, you know, makes me feel playful. Okay, I love this gray one. It is such a great texture, and I love the sleeves. I just think it's a really nice detail. You saw, I think, most of these robes in my Patreon style haul video from a couple weeks back, but I really love this on. I think it flows really nicely. This black one is one of my favorites. I think I'm just going to wear it year round. It has such lovely sleeve details. I really enjoy it. The white one I love. I think that it is summery and bright and bridal and just a little ethereal. I really enjoy that. Hey, thanks for coming along on my robe journey with me, because I know that we're all kind of looking for cozy clothes this year, but are we trying to transition out of sweats? Are we trying to be comfortable but also a little bit elegant here and there? And I think adding playfulness in, that's kind of my in-between of being full formal or just being super casual in, you know, a tracksuit, which is kind of what I've been living in the last year at home. For better or worse. And robes for me are kind of that in-between where it's still super comfortable, but it's a little bit more playful. And I can be silly in robes, I can do all my fun skincare in them. I love the fun details, and it just makes me feel like a fabulous Victorian lady who, you know, must be pampered and waited upon by myself. What is your favorite? Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite loungewear? Do you like sweats? Do you like pajamas? Or are you more of a robe person? Because I can also do, I could do a warm and cozy robe section. Let me know if you want me to do a second robe series. It's like the warm, fuzzy. I might do that more towards fall. Keep us super toasty, because these are more lightweight. These are good for spring and summer, but they would be a little bit cold for, I think, for winter time, unless you had a warm gown underneath. I love being comfortable. I love being happy in my skin. I've been talking a lot about that on Instagram. I'm sure you've noticed that, boy, it feels good to love the skin we're in, to love our bodies and where we're at in our journeys of health. It's nice to wear clothes that make us feel good about ourselves, you know? And I think that these robes, for me, they do that, definitely. And it's just nice to know that you don't always have to be dressed up. You don't always have to, you know, go that extra mile. Sometimes that's nice. Like, just wear a simple, beautiful robe for your partner and kind of let that be more fun and more casual. As I step on my own robe, that's what it's come to. I am going to see you in the next video, biscuits. Thanks for being on here. I know it's a little short video, but I just wanted to do a fun style haul because I know that you all had asked for a try on, and it's tricky for me to do a try on with a lot of my Patreon gear because a lot of burlesque clothing isn't really YouTube cool. So I thought that this was kind of in between, YouTube friendly, but gives you an idea of some of my fun burlesque outfits, because oh my goodness, if you are looking into body positivity, check out burlesque. Check it out as a style for yourself, just at home, as a way to learn to love everything you think is a flaw in your body and to realize it's beautiful. I'm going to see you in the next video. I'm going to give you a big robed up hug. Oh, big warm up hug. Hello, yes. I will see you in the next video because y'all are fabulous. I love you. You're such a wonderful, loving community on here. And I appreciate that, you know, some seasons on this channel, I've gotten a lot of really rude comments and stuff that just offend me. They're insulting or they're offensive. And I feel like lately there's been a lot of really nice, kind, loving comments. And I appreciate that because it makes me want to come back on and keep making more content. So thank you for, you know, being the good side of there now.